The one that ain't coming.
Shoot in the eyes. You need to call your hits.
For real, man.
You need to keep your freaking mask on. You definitely need to call your hits.
I got hit one time, I think.
Well, I have you twice caught on this.
Isaiah's got you twice on camera. I've hit you once since the dead. Go, 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 go!
Sniper, sniper. Sniper, no sniping. Terry, you put that gun down. I'm coming to you, Jordan. You what? Battle buddy. Where'd you go? They got that machine gun up there. Red shirt in the tower, put your mask on. I can't shoot you that way. Heads up, you got shots coming right through here.
We got a guy in the tower. Did you see him?
I see both of them. The kid in the red shirt, man, he's got his mask up. I ain't gonna shoot him like that.
Just do it.
What?
I can pay for his ignorance.
Hey, Star Spangled Bridge is out.
Is it, that's hilarious, man. Medic!
We respawn, right?
Oh, God.
This thing's got a wide angle camera. I may have caught that.
Oh, God. Hey, you can get them from here. How fast?
Huh?
Pretty fast. Get on the side. Pin down there. See if you can get it.
Did I just get one? Hello.
Everybody hooking their head up. I could get killed by.
Do what?
Is there anybody up there that could kill me right now?
That kid needs to quit taking his mask off.
Am I good to run?
Go ahead. Is the kid in red up there not out? I'm pretty sure I just shot him right in the back. Yeah. Got him. I watched that one, buddy. You better call that one. Red shirt in the tower. I shot your face. Just saying. Yeah, that kid, he ain't calling his hits. I've shot him twice for sure now. Do what? Is he gonna call that one? Oh my gosh. I know it's at least two.
Hey, bottom floor. I say bottom floor, right window.
I've shot that kid twice. He will not call it.
You in the red shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, you won't go out.
Woo! Mercy. Hit! Hit! Good shot! What? The kid in the red shirt will not call it. I know that for sure. He's still up in there. He's finally called it. He has finally called himself out. Dude, he just shot my knee pad. That's upsetting.
The guy got the right shield down there. You definitely need to call your hits.
I got hit one time. 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 I think.
Well, I have you twice caught on this.
Isaiah's
so.
got you twice on camera. I've hit
Yes.
you once in the chest.